Auntie Jo here with Auntie Jo Sews. So today I'm going to show you my newest junk journal, Little Golden Book junk journal. I just finished it. This one is the night before Christmas. If you follow my videos, you know that I keep the story intact for all the books that I make. Sorry if you hear any moving around, that's me trying to get situated in this chair. But if you follow my videos, you know that I keep all the stories intact, and the first page of the book will always be whatever the first page is. Last page is the same, and if there's ever any writing or any coloring or anything like that in the books, we always leave them the way they are because we want to keep the historical integrity of the book intact. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you'll see is they have book rings holding it together, and I have vintage Hallmark yarn that I got about 1970s 80s yarn, just I thought it was kind of cute. So then we got the cover of the book, the first page of the book with Santa cruising to wherever he's got to go, and it's by Clement Seymour. And then the first page is journaling page. All the pages have embellishment of chipboard, stickers, or removable tags that you could take out and give to someone or use and put it somewhere else in the book. And then we have some scrapbook paper. And I liken this to the Griswolds, except the tree isn't like, as big as it would be if it were the Griswolds here. That, by the way, is my favorite Christmas movie. And that is on some cardstock. Then we have another page of the book. Another journaling page. They have a cute little bag here that I'm actually going to put a bookmark in. I don't know what I did with the bookmarks that I made, but it'll be one of my bookmarks that I put in here. Or actually, maybe I'll just do an elf on the shelf pencil. Hang on. Yes, here we go. Sorry for the crinkling. I apologize right now. So here we go. So this will be an elf on the shelf pencil. So cute. Okay. We'll turn that page. We don't know how well it's going to turn, but it'll be in the book for you. And this is a vintage throwaway coaster, which obviously no one threw away. It's in the late 70s, early 80s. I think it's Potpourri are the folks that made this. Super cute. There are a couple of these in here. I just love it. I'm not going to put it out because I don't want to damage it, but it is perfect. It is, let me just slide this off, 1970s, 80s, and just absolutely adorable. Okay, just be very careful if you get it that when you lift it up, you lift the paper clip up so you don't snag the coaster. And we just got a gift tag here with a little deer to give to someone. And then that comes off the journaling pages, so you'll have clear journaling pages and you can put whatever you like on there. Also with the 3 rings, I like to mix up what I'm doing. Like some of them will have the hard spine covered in fabric. Some will have these 3 rings. I like the rings because you could take out and put in what you like, but I also, when I do the fabric ones and the hard covers, those are always signatures that are sewn in, so you can always unsew them, take it out, and put in what you like as well, but these are easier to do that with. So, and then here's one of some super cool cards I got. It is handmade, 3D, jeweled, cut out, all that kind of jazz. I cannot take credit for this. It is just spectacular. I got them from Stacy. She is Craftaholic Mama on YouTube. They also call her the Dollar Card Lady, and she just does absolutely fantastic work. So I got a bunch of those. Those will be going into my cards along with ones that I've made as well. And then here's a second card, still in plastic. I didn't take it out of her plastic because it's got these adorable little beads on them. Again, all handmade, and this is also a card by Stacy. Another page of the book. And this is a 3 pocket, by the way. So there's another pocket inside of here. You can there. And the paper, if you're wondering, the double-sided papers that I make the pockets out of are K & Company. Absolutely love K & Company double-sided paper. Another sheet, some more removable tags for you to give out. I left these sheets completely empty because I like to do that with the inside of the journals when the 2 pages are together. I really like that so that you can do whatever you'd like with them. And then we've got a bookmark, Happy Holidays, in another white bag. Just love it. Then I've got an envelope here. It's got a little tag on it. And on the back of that tag is another tag, Peace and Joy. And then this is an envelope, so we're going to pull off that, open this up, and we have yet another card. This one's adorable. Merry Christmas, Season's Greetings, fantastic card by Stacy. And we'll put this back here. Again, I'm trying to be kind of quick, but I do want you to see absolutely everything you're going to get in the book, so you know what. I like to say no surprises, but then I always add a surprise anyway, so you always get more than what you see here. Like today, someone got one of my journals, so I included 4 extra handmade cards that I made for them. So I always like to throw in something extra. What that is, I don't know. And a note just to let you know that, hey, I threw this in for you. Thank you so much. We just love it when people get my books and really enjoy the work that I do. It makes it really all worth it. Some more junk journal, or some more pages for you to journal on. Parts of the book. Some more journaling pages and some tags. Again, these are just paper clipped in, so you could take them out and do what you like. These little quarter sheets, half sheets, I like those. They're just really cute. Then we've got some deer. And I like to, if you see, I like to have the colors match so that nothing's clashing, so that if you wanted to keep the book exactly the way it is, it would look good. If somebody were to come over and say, hey, you're not journaling in it, it's just a conversation piece, then folks can actually take a look at it too. Or if you want to turn it into a photo album and have it, that would be great too. So more pages, more cardstock. Again, they're all color coordinated. More journaling sheets, pages of the book. And I think this might be the last card. There might be another one. Santa, this is just super duper cute. I love this. And again, this is another 3-pocket page. K & Company card stock. Have yourself a merry little Christmas tag. Part of the book. Another journaling page. Some more scrapbook paper. Cute little green bag. I will put something in here. Don't know what. Some more journaling pages. Some more cardstock pages. Another page of the book. Another little half sheet. I don't know. I gotta think of these half sheets. I just like them. I think just break up the pages together gives your eye something to look at. Noel on the journaling page. Another page. Some tags here on some scrapbook paper. Little Santa. Adorable. Those sheets, which I got a little crazy with over here. Some more journaling areas. There's lots of places to journal in this area, but only one set of blank sheets that face each other because I like to have that in the book. But I like to have a lot of room for you to journal and add pictures and fun stuff of your own. So here's another sheet, another little quarter sheet, and this I liked. I had fun making this. That. And then another, this is the second, originally throwaway coaster, 1980s or so, with old Santa. I love it. And the deer, I added the deer. It's on the chipboards from, which chipboard was it? This is Cartabella. And then more of the pages for you to journal on. Another pocket with a little corgi bookmark. Oh, and another card. Which one is this? Oh, yes, this is the So Very Merry Christmas. Any of these that have the little beads on them will come in plastic. And, of course, they do come with envelopes, so you'll get an envelope for each card. And more journaling area. Another one of my famous quarter sheets. I'm going to have to measure this. Maybe it's like a 3/4 sheet. I don't know. More chipboard. On the cardstock. Some more tags. Some more journaling spots. And I believe the last page of the book. And, yep, there's the end of the book. Again, there's the back. And there is my newest little golden book junk journal with the on-screen live add-on of the Elf in the Shelf. On the shelf pencil. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't already subscribed, please take a moment and do so. I appreciate you watching, and happy crafting.